In the meantime, however, Samsung Electronics is marking a new milestone with its earnings for the first quarter of this year, sharply surpassing expectations as global demand for AI chips outweigh fears over the economic fallout of the unrest in the Middle East. Our Soo-jin reports.
Samsung Electronics' first quarter profit beat its total for all of last year. The company announced quarter one profits of 57.2 trillion Korean won, or approximately $37.9 billion. This sets a new record for the highest quarterly operating profit in the company's history. According to the company's preliminary earnings report released Tuesday, the operating profit is a 755% surge compared to the same period in 2025. Sales reached 133 trillion won, or roughly $88.1 billion. That represents a 68% increase on year. This follows a record-breaking fourth quarter of 2025, which saw 20.1 trillion won in profit. With just the first quarter results of 2026, Samsung is already nearing its highest ever annual operating profit of 58.89 trillion won recorded during the semiconductor supercycle in 2018. While market analysis had widely expected a strong performance, the record-breaking figures even outpaced initial forecasts. This historic performance is underpinned by a semiconductor superboom. The primary driver is the explosive global demand for AI computing, which caused DRAM and NAND prices to surge by approximately 90% compared to the previous quarter. Securities analysis estimate that the semiconductor division's operating profit alone exceeded 50 trillion won, essentially driving the entire company's earnings. Specifically, they estimate that DRAM alone recorded over 41 trillion won in operating profit. Samsung's mobile and smartphone divisions also contribute to the bottom line, bolstered by the recent launch of Samsung's flagship AI-integrated handset series earlier this year. The finalized and fully audited financial results, including specific divisional performances, will be disclosed later this month following board approval. Soo-jin, 아리랑뉴스.